Hello Cloud Gurus and welcome to this lecture. This is a really quick lecture just to set the right expectations about the course. This course is designed to help you pass the AWS Certified Developer Associate qualification. Now, as you'll see in the exam blueprint in the next lecture, AWS expects you to know at least one programming language going into this exam. However, they're not going to test you on code. And the reason for this is because there's quite a number of software development kits available that interact with the AWS platform programmatically. These SDKs include Android, iOS, and JavaScript. They include Java, .NET, Node.js, PHP, Python, and Ruby. So you're not expected to know all these languages to pass the exam. You could actually pass this exam with not knowing how to code at all. In this course, we will interact with the AWS platform programmatically using both PHP and Python. But this course is definitely not designed to teach you how to code in those languages. Rather, we're going to teach you the high-level concepts so you'll know exactly what you need to know to pass the AWS Certified Developer Associate exam. I am considering doing a course entirely aimed at teaching you how to code with Python and interact programmatically with the AWS platform. However, I haven't started on that course yet, and I still need to complete the Certified SysOps Associate course, which will be my next AWS course. So I hope I've set the right expectation about what you will learn on this course. In this course, you won't learn how to code. We will use different types of code to interact with the AWS platform, such as PHP and Python, but I will not be teaching you how to code individual lines of code. What I will teach you is everything that you need to know to pass the AWS Certified Developer Associate exam. If you have any questions, please let me know. If not, feel free to move on to the next lecture. Thank you.